This game is called Magnetic Letters. Ooh, such a fancy name, right? Okay, but listen, truly, we all have those magnetic letters in our classrooms. Yes, and they get everywhere, right? But I would like for you to pull them out this week and use them with intention. Okay, so you are intentionally going to make words with these letters. But when you pull out the letters, you're not going to say, I have an A. You're going to pull out A. You're going to pull out K. You're going to pull out T. And then you're going to say act. And you're going to wipe it away. You can use, I suggest, easy peasy, you use the words that you find in your Heggerty book that you're already using for phoneme segmentation. You can put them out there while, like after you do Heggerty, of course, for your small group. They've heard the words, they've heard the sounds. Now in your small groups this week, you're going to use magnet letters. And you're going to pull out all of those letters that you need and show them how that works. Okay? And if you have some advanced students and you want to start bringing them farther, which every one of you, when I tested them, every one of you has an advanced student, a student who was able to give me almost all the sounds, if not all the sounds, at least onset rhyme. So they could possibly, give it a shot, have you delete sounds from it. So you would have act, act, and then just say, what happens if I take the k out? Don't say the C. Don't say what happens if I take the C out. Say what happens if I take the k out. Now what do I have? And if they say at, then what? You just keep going with that and keep rocking. You are going to have to stay on your toes for those kiddos, right? Like you're going to have to stay 3 steps ahead of them. But for those that all they need to do is see and hear at the same time. Act. Act. Okay? Easy peasy. But the hardest thing for us, and you're going to have those that say, yeah, that's an A. Yes. And in this word, the A makes the A sound. I don't really like saying the A says because the letters don't really say anything. We put those sounds on those letters. So even if you could start rewiring your brain and your mouth to work together to say it in a different way, like, but yes, it is an A and we are putting the A sound. Sorry about my hairdo today. We are putting the A sound on this letter A today. Sometimes we put the A sound. Sometimes it has a sound. But today, for this word, it has the A sound on it. I mean, who knows? They don't have to master it. They just can hear it. And then later on when they hear it, anyway, that bit's free. But this week, please pull out your magnetic letters for your small group and use those words that you're using in Heggerty that you already do in the mornings. Pull those up, hold them at your table, find those letters, spell out those words, and show them what it looks like. All right, let me know how this goes.